See, first of all, from the Congress Party and from the India Alliance, we are very much for the Women's Reservation Bill, which we unanimously passed in 2023. So now, after 30 months, what is the urgency between the 5 states elections? Why does the government want to introduce the delimitation bill along with women's reservation bill? That is our concern. Secondly, our concern is also using the census of 2011, that is 546 seats, and increasing it by 50% and arriving at a number of 850, and then introducing the bill, 825, I think. They are introducing the bill. This is also questionable because if they are increasing the seat by 850, out of that 33% reservation, they are taking from the 815. They're not taking it from the number of 850. The 35 union territories have been left out in this. And thirdly, we are also concerned about the federal voice. As it is, I'm an MP from Karnataka, and the CM, the DCM from Karnataka have repeatedly met the central ministry and asked them for their rightful share in the tax devolution. We are the highest contributors in GDP, #1 in GDP and #2 in GST tax collections. So why are the southern states being punished for adhering to the population control, adhering to the education standards, and then when you increase the seat share up to 850, we are worried about the voice of southern states. Now, all the policies are framed at the Delhi level, and we are concerned about the voice of the southern states, the policies which will be affecting the southern states.